Guys, thank you so much for becoming members on my channel. Welcome to the club. So you're gonna get some benefits and perks that I'm gonna explain right now. So there are two levels. Basic learner, you're gonna have a special badge. So this means whenever you're commenting, I'm gonna see your comment because you have this special badge. And that means I'm gonna pay extra attention. We'll try and reply to you. So thank you so much if you're a basic learner. And also you would be able to use emojis that were created specifically for this channel. And again, once you use them, your comment stands out. Other people see it. I see it. Congrats if you're a basic learner. If you're the second level linguamarina club, that means you can actually suggest topics. So we create content 2 or 3 months in advance sometimes because, babies and family and stuff and travel. But sometimes I do content a lot quicker. But anyways, you would be able to suggest topics and I would be able to consider them when we're creating a plan for the channel. And also you would be able to access my videos earlier, 1 or 2 days earlier once they're ready. We're going to open them up for linguamarina club. And then we're going to open them up for everyone else. As a member of linguamarina club, you will also have a special badge when you comment on my videos, and you will also have access to special emojis. That means that your comment is going to stand out. I'm going to see it first. My managers are going to see it first, and we're going to pay extra attention to it. Thank you guys for becoming members of the channel. Thank you so much for supporting my team and I look forward to seeing you in my next videos.